Hello, everyone. Welcome to Police vs. Wild Animals. Heartbeat Sapporo, shocks, Bodycam captures. Everything where police officers face wild animals through Bodycam footage, delivering unexpected and intense situations. A wild goose forces a police officer to chase it across the area. Police rescue a dog trapped in a raging river after 2 hours of effort. On Christmas morning, Bartlett police receive a report of a beaver wandering inside St. Francis Hospital. An officer rescues an injured owl found in the median of US 30 near US 42 in the Mansfield area. Police rush into a burning barn to rescue a horse. Police successfully rescue a kitten. Police bravely rescue cattle trapped inside a burning barn.
Okay.
A dairy cow that escaped from a farm is chased down and captured by California police at a local farm.
Oh, look at that!
Clearwater police rescue a dog left inside a hot car.
Come on. Good girl.
Police chase a chubby pig running through the streets of Riverside. Ohio police rescue a raccoon with a mayonnaise jar stuck on its head in a Cleveland suburb. Connecticut police rescue a squirrel with a plastic cup stuck on its head. A giant dog is intervened by police after refusing to leave a dollar store. Police rescue an elk trapped under a pool cover. A deer is seen relaxing in a swimming pool before police arrive and chase it away. Bodycam footage captures police officers on horseback chasing a suspect in Tampa.
Good job.
Police quickly subdue a cow after it falls from a trailer and runs loose on the road. A runaway cow is captured after causing chaos on Highway 210 and later pursued through city streets. Moose cow forces Stephenville police to chase it across multiple roads. Thank you for watching Police vs. Wild Animals. Bodycam captures everything. Which moment impressed you the most? Leave a comment and share your thoughts.